So Ali, you're not in Budapest. Not only am I in one of the golden destinations I put down for this year, but I'm here for something very, very special. So earlier I jumped on a flight and I headed to Rabat here in Morocco, and this is where I am going to be for the next 5 days and then heading to Marrakesh. I am here with PsychoTraveller, and it is a language school here in Rabat, and I am going to learn Arabic whilst staying with locals. So when we arrived, we came to the house where we're staying, the homestay, and it is so beautiful. So we've just arrived at our host family's house, and this is where we're going to be staying. So I didn't expect this at all. I expected just for us to get like a room each and that'd be it, but we have like this whole living area. Hold on, I'll show you properly. This house is beautiful. Oh my god. Haven't really looked at my room yet. Oh, can I have this? Can I take this home, please? And we also have a beautiful terrace. Then we went downstairs and they'd cooked us a traditional Moroccan veggie tagine. They had beautiful bread, it had artichokes in it. Then they did some pulled tea for us, which was amazing. Our host family is phenomenal, and they only speak French to me, because here they speak Arabic and French, so they only speak French, so it's forcing me to learn that again, which is fine because I'm really excited about that. So yeah, this afternoon is our only kind of chill time, downtime, and then tomorrow we head to the school. That is when we start the Arabic learning, and also there's a lot of activities we're going to do. We're going to be doing cooking classes, we're going to be doing henna, things like that throughout the week, and then we're going to head to Marrakesh. So stay tuned for a very interesting Morocco video, because I'll let you in on a little secret. I suck at learning languages, and I've never done anything like this, like staying with a host family and learning a language and being forced to speak it in that country. It's going to be really interesting to see how much this affects my ability to learn a new language. So stay tuned.
Here in Rabat we have Arabic and French courses, okay, for everyone. And then we have 30 destinations around the world. And you can learn 7 languages. So German, English, German in Frankfurt and Munich, Spanish in Spain and in Cuba. You can learn French also in France and in Canada and Montreal, and English in UK, Malta, and Italian and Chinese.
Interrupting this vlog for a very quick and exciting announcement. When I went onto the PsychoTraveller website and had a good look around, I found out that the 2-week course with 20 lessons per week is only €340. And I also found out that I actually have a code. If you want €25 off per week for a maximum, I think, of 16 weeks, then you can use the code PsychoTraveller, and then for that 2 weeks course, it will only come out to €7.25 per lesson for a tutor, which is pretty insane. I'm genuinely shocked, and I'm already planning to go back and learn French. So enjoy the code, and Ali, tell us how it's all been. Tell us how your day went. So that was my first hour and a half of learning Arabic. It's not as crazy as I thought it would be, but like I said, I do suck at learning languages, so I'm really hoping, because they're like forcing us to have conversations with each other, that by the end of the 5 days, I'm not going to be like, Anna, Azul. Yeah, hopefully we're going to nail this. And I really like writing Arabic, actually, and writing right to left. I don't know, it's just something I've discovered. Anyway, we're having a break, and then we'll get back to more learning, more alphabeting. So we finished our first Arabic lesson. We just went to a little Spanish restaurant, actually, because it's love ties between Spain and Morocco. Had some amazing food, and now we're going to have a guide to take us around Rabat and show us all the sights and the sounds. So this is fun. This is the bit I love. go to the cat's corner. So enjoy the next montage of cuteness. Oh, I see them. We're heading over to Saleh, which you can see right there. It's literally 1 minute on the boat. This man, so brave, facing his fear. Bonsoir. Oh. Good morning, guys. I didn't end the video off yesterday and I really wanted to have a little bit of a chat with you. So we got to head to the office, to the school, to do our second day of learning Arabic. But, oh, hello, Daddy Longlegs. How are you doing? Haven't seen one of you for a while. Yesterday was amazing. Rabat, it was really shocking because I don't see anyone come to Rabat. You know, everyone goes to Marrakesh when they come to Morocco and maybe Casablanca or maybe Fez, but I don't ever see everyone come to Rabat and it's really nice, so would recommend. And last night I did some revision. Okay, so I know Ma is Muki, which is what is your name, and then I would say Ana Ismi Ali. How are you? Kaifa Haluki? Kaifa Haluki? I am fine is Ana Bicha. Thank you is Shukran. And then you're welcome is Afwan. Now we did learn more than that yesterday. I'm actually really proud that I remember all that. We also learned like why you in Morocco, but I can't remember those. So hopefully we'll do some like revision today when we get in. And I will get there. I'm gonna get there because I've always had this thing where I suck at languages. But I'm really proud that I remember all that. So that is a plus. All right. Let's take those off for a second. Yes, I'm gonna get my bag together and then we're gonna head to the office, jump in a taxi I think, and yeah, go for another day of learning, and then we're gonna go and explore over to the other city that we went to yesterday and see a bit more of that because we didn't have much time yesterday to do that. So, and then tonight we have a cooking class where we are going to make a beautiful vegetable tagine. I'm very excited. أربعة خمسة عشر ثمانية وعشرون تسعة وعشرون. Just got back to our homestay here, and we've come upstairs and seen that they've laid everything out because we're doing a cooking class now, and we're going to learn how to make a vegetable tagine, which is very, very, very traditional Moroccan food, so I'm very excited. Look, the vlog is in my way. Move. Oh, that smell. Good morning, guys. Alright, so it is day 3, but I'm going to actually end this video here because I was going to do one video for like the whole Arabic course going around Rabat thing, but there's just too much footage and we are doing too many things and there's so much for me to say, so I'm going to break it up into 2 videos here in Rabat. So I'll end this here and then do the next 3 days into 1 video, and then I'll do a few videos in Marrakesh as well. Yeah, first day of doing the Arabic course was a lot. Like, you're like, whoa, how am I ever going to remember this? Second day, you're feeling a little bit more comfortable, and hopefully by today I'll feel even more comfortable. So we're not going to be expected to like master the Arabic language in 5 days. That's like impossible. But it'll be really cool to be able to pick up some phrases and also be able to read a little bit. My reading is pretty bad, especially with like the short vowels and the long vowels, and remembering that if there's this sign over one of the letters and where it's positioned, then that changes how you pronounce it. It's a lot, but our teacher was really nice. And also, this is my first time staying in like a homestay, and my like host mom and dad are so good. Apparently they're the most like famous hosts for Spraak Cafe. Everyone loves them, and I can see why. And this house is gorgeous, and all the people who work at Spraak Cafe, like in the office when we go, are just so wonderful. So thank you so much for inviting me on this trip, because honest to God, I never saw myself coming to Morocco, staying with a host family and learning Arabic could be this much fun. But oh my, staying with a host family really immerses you into it like fully, and they still only speak French to me. But you know what, I'm getting a little bit more confident, at least to say, you know, how are you and things like that, back from my GCSE French days. So I will leave a link down below for Spraak Cafe, and I think there's also a code if you were ever interested in doing a language course like abroad. I think the minimum time for like the language courses here are 2 weeks, so that'd be a nice little introduction. But I'll leave the website down below so you can go and check it out if this is something that interests you. I never thought this would be something that interested me, to be honest, and then when they contacted me, I was like, you know what, that is something I really should try, and I'm so glad I am. But keep watching the vlogs because the journey is not over. My mind could change. We don't know what's going to happen, so I'm going to stop rambling, and I'll see you in a couple of days, and then I'll see you in Marrakesh. I'm very, very excited. That's a big bug. That's a very big bug. Okay, I'm going to go. Bye.